If you are still getting stall letters from the credit bureaus after you send out your dispute letter, well, I have a solution for you. And I'm going to show you that solution in the Client Dispute Manager coming up. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to log into the Client Dispute Manager, and this is our new feature here, AI Rewriter. So let's go ahead and log into the Client Dispute Manager here. All right, we're in the dashboard, so we want to get to the section where we can do our first dispute. So we're going to click on Dispute Manager here. All right, so we're going to work with this customer here, Mark, which is myself. We're going to go over to the bureau screen. And now the great thing about the AI Rewriter, which is right here, this is the AI Rewriter. All we have to do is select the dispute reason. And we're going to select one of our letters here. And all we have to do is simply click on AI Rewrite. And when we click on that, it's going to process. It's going to rewrite our letter. And there it is. It's that quick. So it simply just rewrites the letter every single time you click it. And as you can see, I'm clicking it right now and it rewrites the letter. So every single time I click this AI Rewriter, it rewrites the letter for you, making the letter different every single time. This helps with the credit bureau stall letters. It helps with the stigma of having template letters. You can use any letter in the software here, and you can simply hit the AI Rewriter. Any letter at all in the software, you hit the AI Rewriter. And the great thing about it, it applies to creditors. I'm sorry, direct creditor letters to the creditor. It applies to collection letters, direct letters to the collection agencies, and respond letters when the credit bureaus fail to respond or they send you stall letters. We have the AI Rewriter on every single screen. Very, very powerful feature to help you combat stall letters and to make each letter different for your particular customer. All right, so now you know the solution to fighting stall letters from the credit bureaus and how to make template letters, template dispute letters different. I want to give you a free 30-day trial of the Client Dispute Manager, and all you have to do is click the link right below this video, and I want to give you a free 30-day trial of the Client Dispute Manager. Dive in there and start checking out the AI Rewriter today.